Hi everyone to Tech Safari and welcome to the Coding Safari Java and Android. So yeah, in this video we're going to see about while loops. So first off, let's open our default project. So as we have seen about for loops, while loops are also in a similar way, but here the difference between while loops and for loops is that while loops are used to loop through any array list or also through a bunch of numbers. Only it will loop till a particular given condition is satisfied. Say 5 greater than 2, until this 5 greater than 2 is satisfied, it won't carry out this condition. Like till it's satisfied, it won't. It will keep on looping through that and it will keep on performing that function. So here I'll just define while loops here. So while loops are used, to run a chunk of code or, or a method multiple times till the given condition is satisfied or is true. So that's while loops. So we just while loops can also be so yeah, we have two types of them. Those are the ordinary while loop and another one is the do while loops. There should be a hyphen in the middle. So first we'll get to know about the ordinary while loops. We just need to create an index number. I'll set that to 0 and I just say while index number is we could give any condition. Say I'll give it less than 10. Run this code. I could give any operator there. Okay, we'll give it less than or equal to 10. Then I'm just going to log the number. That would print all the first 10 numbers, natural whole numbers. So I need to convert that to a string. Okay, first let me at the end I need to give index plus plus. That is nothing but index number is equals to index number plus 1. I could just say index number plus plus, and that would increment my number by 1 each and every time. So I just converted my integer to a string, and now let's just clear that off or comment that. Yeah. So let's create an other variable. Say int my favorite letter. I'll define that later. First we'll run this. So the app has installed, and as you can see, we have the numbers from 0 to 10 printed out here in a line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yeah, that is, we have created a first while loop. So in a similar way, we could do many operations with that. We could also say you say something like numbers. So if I had to keep on going like that, it would take me a lot of time and a lot of hard work. If I had to say number 1, number 2, number 3, and I had to type along like that till some 10, it would be difficult. It would be more difficult if I had a much bigger number. So here is the application of a while loop. It can be used to print a lot number of values, or using this we could also print even numbers, odd numbers. Say if I change this to so if adding 1, I could add plus equals 2, then it would return me all the even numbers till 10, that is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, as you can see, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It printed all the numbers till even numbers till 10. In a similar way, I could even print odd numbers, but we're going to see that later. You could just play around with this. You could do a lot many of series and you could do a lot many of series and sequences using while loops. Now let me create an other index number, say 0. Yeah, again with the same. I could say while this particular condition is satisfied, index number less than 100, or yeah, less than or equal to 100. I could print, could log perfect squares, and there I need to give it math dot p or w, that would say power of. So power a would be index number to the power of 2. So yeah, that would return me all the perfect squares from 0 to 100 of all the perfect until 100 square. So yeah, that's the one. It converted to into a double because it takes it as a double. So let's just make it that 10. So yeah, it will return me 0 1 0 1 4 9 16 25 36 40 49 64 81 100. It printed out all my perfect squares for me. And so in a similar way we could use while loops. Keep playing around with while loops. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.